Hi friends, I am Diviskar. I studied in SVGV Metric Higher Secondary School and I completed my diploma in Sri Shakti Polytechnic and I am currently pursuing in SNS institution and I am in BE Mechatronics Engineering. It's very useful to life and grateful to study and many subjects are useful to regular activities and are to play football and editing photos. I have edited 500 plus photos in friend circle and social media. And my short term goal is to place in a company and complete my degree. And my long term goal is to start my own entrepreneurship and business on my own. Thank you.